저한테 황금이라는 게 좀 연관이 좀 있어요. 뭐 태몽도 그렇고, 그다음 뭐 지금까지 이때까지 걸어온 시간들이 좀 다 황금 같아서 앨범 이름을 골든으로밖에 골든을밖에 생각이 안 났어요. 네.
Yeah. And it's a great cover. Great cover. By the way, look at those abs. Yeah, I mean, it's awesome. I'll never achieve that ever. I love the album. It's fun. I will say the first half is very kind of fun. It's Jack Harlow, Major Lazer. It's kind of poppy and fun. Second half gets kind of more serious. Some are sadder than